Hi, boys and girls. We have a new letter this week. As you can see, we have uppercase X, and we have lowercase x. You see, they look quite a bit alike. Just one is bigger and one is smaller. All right, X is pretty easy. It's two moves, two motions. So you always start at the top, sliding more down, and come back up to the top like you're going to make a V, but you crisscross over the middle, sliding more down. It actually looks like V at the top and the upside down V at the bottom, doesn't it? Connected together. So sliding board down, back up to the top, sliding board down. Let's practice that on our boards real quick. Remember, as kindergarten learners, one of our learning goals is to be letter experts. And that just isn't meaning to write the letter, but to know the sound and to be able to write words and sentences using that letter. All right, so start at the top, sliding board down, back up to the top, sliding board down, crisscross over the middle. Space, sliding board down, back up to the top, sliding board down, crisscross over the middle. Space, sliding board down. Always go this direction first, friends. Back up to the top, sliding board down over the middle. All right, and then lowercase x, if you have the dotted paper, starts at the dotted line. Sliding board down, back up to the dotted line, sliding board down, put space, sliding board down, sliding board down, put space, sliding board down, sliding board down. So you can see one is big and one is smaller. The sound for X is X. It sounds like a K and an S together. Can you say that with me, friends? X says X says X. All right. So let's go ahead and look at some words that start with the X sound. Repeat after me. Fox, fox, mix, mix. There it is, mix. Has that X sound at the end. It almost sounds like a K and an S, but it's an X. And then we know the T-Rex. T-Rex has that X sound at the end. Isn't he funny looking T-Rex? Thought he was kind of funny. And the fox is super cute. All right, friends, let's go ahead and write some green words with our letter X. Remember, green words have beginning, middle, and ending sound most of the time, not all of the time. The ones that we work on at least do. Let's try that word fox. Okay, so fox, stretch it out, fox. Say each sound slowly. What did you hear at the beginning? F says, O says, ah. What's that sound at the end? That's right, X says, fox, fox. Now, if you wanted to change it to box, fox and box rhyme, don't they? So you just change the beginning sound, right? You don't hear that anymore. What do you hear? B says B. You ever heard the Dr. Seuss story about the green eggs and ham? I would eat them with a fox, and I would eat them in a box. That's a fun one. Fox and box. So you can make lots of rhyming words. All right, erase your boards, make it shiny white. Let's try one more green word. We're kind of going fast today. Let's try that word mix. Mix. What's our first sound? M says mix. How does your mouth move for that middle sound? I says I. Mix. X says X. Now what if we wanted to change it to fix? Mix and fix. They rhyme. Just changing the beginning sound. That's right. So mix to fix. What's that beginning sound? F says, and then the X stays the same. Mix, fix. They rhyme. I will fix you a banana milkshake. I will have to mix up all the ingredients, the ice cream, the bananas, I like to put a little vanilla flavoring. So we got to mix it up in order to fix it for you. All right, erase your boards, make it shiny white. Oh, here comes Pete the cat. Good job, boys and girls. Woohoo! All right, one last thing. We're going to write a sentence. Let's write, I see the fox in a box. That's a big one, isn't it? Let's see. How many words? Say it with me. Pound it out. I see a fox in a box. I see a fox in a box. All right, how many words? I see a fox in a box. 7 words. All right. So we start our sentence here on the very end. Remember, don't start in the middle or you'll run out of space. We always start on the far left side. I, is it little I or big I? Kiss your brains if you said big I. I, now put space. C, that's a red word. See if you can write it before I do. C, that's right. S, and then 2 E's. Space. A is our next word. I see a fox. Oh, ball, and then a little short stick. I see a, oh, space, fox. That's one of our green words. Fox. Fox. X says X. Now I'm running out of space. I'm going to swing down and around. In. In is also a green word, but it's only 2 sounds. In. What do you hear at the beginning? I says I. In. N says N. Stick in a hump. In space. A space. Box. Box and box. They rhyme, right? We just change that beginning sound. B. Ox. What do we need at the end of our sentence, friends? A period. Very good. You could put an exciting mark or exclamation mark if you are excited about seeing that fox in the box, but then you would have to say it with some exciting voice. All right. We're just going to say it plainly. I see a fox in a box. See if you can come up with your own sentence to write. Maybe you can write about mix. I like to mix something. All right. Okay, happy writing, friends. Remember, if you continue to practice every day, you will get to be superstar readers and superstar writers. And that sound is pretty tricky. Keep practicing. X says with the K and S. All right, until next time. Bye.